everyone, this is our group, the Anonymous Bizz Ladies, and I am Shaya Jade,
Faith Nancy,
Deborah Idera,
and Sarah Muya. So basically, our group has come up with an innovation to solve unemployment among youth in Kenya. Most apps employ people who are done with their secondary education and in the university. They don't consider those people who aren't able to pay their secondary education or university. So you basically come to our app where it promotes you to do any work that is suitable for you in order to continue your education.
Now, the name of our innovation is called Workit. At the moment, it's just a website, but in the near future, we are hoping to make it an app. It is mostly targeting the youth, and as my colleague Faith has stated, it is basically solving the issue of unemployment through basic jobs such as hairdressing, cleaning, and even dog grooming.
Our app Workit has a rating system. This rating system will allow the clients to know the efficiency of the workers on the app. This is the rating system that I'm talking about. This is what a normal profile would look like. It will have the profile picture, the name, age, and sex of the person, and a short description of what they need. When you click the profile picture, it will send you to this. This is now an example of the description, and it will show you the abilities that this person has. This way you'll be able to know who you need and what you need from them.
Why is our app compared to other apps the best? Because 60% of people in Kenya face scamming as a problem when looking for jobs. For example, people who drop out of the universities or cannot afford to have a proper job face such scamming by going to false ads and find themselves going abroad facing things like trafficking and are forced to become maids. So our app and inventors are based to take full responsibility of our employers and employees. Thank you.
Thank you.